Good morning, all of you. Welcome to your English 1 class. We will not be reading anything new in this class, rather, we'll go for a revision test. All of you are already informed that an online test is going to be arranged by the school so that all of you can go for pre-half yearly unit test. This is something going to be a very new experience to all of us, to the students and to the teachers as well. We all are very much excited. So according to that pattern, I have made this question paper of this revision test. After going through this, you will have a guideline how the questions will come in the examination. Okay. So as we can see, there are some questions on the screen. I'm not going to read out because you will have this available in the study material section. So there are true false given, and then as we can see, fill in the blanks following the instructions given in the bracket. So you have to follow the instruction as per given in the bracket, and you have to fill in the blank accordingly. And then lastly, again, you need to find the correct option and you need to tick that from the given options in the bracket. So these three types I have given. All these consist only 1 mark. So this whole revision test will consist 20 marks. In that way you will get a question paper. It's not like you will get the same question paper. Variations will be there surely, but this I have designed just to let you know about the new question pattern being introduced to you through the online test taking method. So after going through this paper, you will understand that all of you need to read everything in detail, because previously you need to skip the definition, you need to skip everything. You have a tendency to go for the exercises only, but it won't help in this method. You need to read out all the definitions, all the examples, how the exercise is solved, because I have provided you with all the solved exercises and other worksheets as well. So the first task that you are going to do is you will be reading all the 5 chapters that were there for your unit test portion. You have to read those thoroughly without leaving a single line, each definition, each example and everything. After going through this question paper, you will have a good idea about how to read it. Okay, so if you read that completely, you will have no difficulty in solving that. But if you do not read it and if you just go for a shallow reading, then you will be in great problem, I must say. So solve this exercise or this revision test on your own, and if you have any difficulty, you can have this answers available there in the worksheet section, but I won't suggest you to go beforehand. First you try on your own. If you are unable to do, then you check, or better I'll suggest, after completing the whole test, you will go to the worksheet section to find out how much did you score, and you let me know through the emails or the comment section that whether this was helpful and how much you are reading. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class with something new. Till then, keep preparing yourself for this online test. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.